Question: which of the following formula is correct to calculate provision on debtors to be transferred to profit and loss account? Options: bad debts plus new provision minus old provision, provision on debtors plus new provision plus bad debts minus further bad debts plus bad debts plus new provision minus old provision, new provision on debtors plus old provision made for bad debts minus new provision plus old provision. Bad debts plus new provision minus old provision. It is given in adjustment that during the accounting year, the trader distributed goods worth rupees 5,000 as free samples. While preparing final account, this will be shown in profit and loss account, both in trading and profit and loss account, trading account, balance sheet, none of the above. Both in trading and profit and loss account. Closing stock rupees 53,400, cost of goods sold rupees 75,000, gross profit rupees 5,000, purchases rupees 82,000. What is the amount of opening stock? Rupees 46,400, rupees 41,400, rupees 60,400, rupees 55,400. Rupees 46,400. The works manager gets commission of 10% on the profits after charging such commission. If the profit is rupees 2,200, what is the amount of commission? Option: rupees 220, rupees 200, rupees 240, rupees 244.44. Rupees 200. Which one of the following will lead to understatement of net profit? Options: transfer of general reserve, treating capital expenditure as revenue expenditure, amortization of fictitious asset, treating revenue expenditure as capital expenditure. Treating capital expenditure as revenue expenditure. Calculate the estimated value of the closing stock on the basis of the following information when the incomplete records are kept by the business. Opening stock rupees 20,000, purchases rupees 1,70,000, sales rupees 2 lakh, and the rate of gross profit on cost 25%. Option: rupees 10,000, rupees 20,000, rupees 30,000, rupees 40,000. Rupees 30,000. On 20th March 2019, stock worth 10,000 was lost by fire. The insurance company admitted full claim. On 31st March 2019, while preparing final accounts, it will be shown: option: only in trading account, only in profit and loss account, both in trading and profit and loss account, both in trading account and balance sheet. Both in trading account and balance sheet. If the rate of gross profit on sales is 30% and the cost of goods sold is rupees 70,000, what is the amount of sales? Options: 1 lakh, 21,000, 49,000, 2 lakh 33,333. Rupees 1 lakh. When you prepare final accounts, where will you transfer bad debts recovered account? Profit and loss account, provision for bad debt account, debtors account, account receivable. Profit and loss account. The statement prepared to determine the profit or loss made by a business is called the dash. Statement of affairs, statement of operations, statement of profit or loss, all of the above. Statement of profit or loss.